You're gonna go and sit at your table now.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. See you tomorrow.
I'm gonna fail to get up 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then hi, welcome. My name's Nikita and I post videos based on lifestyle, fashion and motherhood. So today I am doing a B&M haul, if that wasn't already obvious by the title. I may be looking quite similar to how I look in my last video, because my last video was a day in the life, and that's when I'm filming this now, because I've got an extra sort of like 10-15 minutes to quickly show you what I got from B&M. Mill's playing, watching Teletubbies if you can hear that in the background, and Max is currently having a nap, so I need to get this done really quickly before he wakes up. So first thing that I bought was the pink stuff, and this is the Oxy stain remover that you pop in your wash load. I did buy it for colours so that I can put it in both colours and whites, because if I just buy the white one, I can only put it in the white one because it does lift quite a bit. I think it's got a little bit of bleach in it, so yeah, I don't bother with that one. I just get the colours one, and then I can put it in every single wash and keep everything nice and clean and almost as stain free as possible. Completely impossible to be completely stain free, but I'm almost there. Next thing I bought was this Options Belgian hot chocolate. It's got 40 servings in it. If you didn't already know, I am on a weight loss journey, so this really helps curb my chocolate sweet cravings in an evening. Just make myself a hot chocolate and it just makes me feel a little bit makes me feel a little bit better and a little less hangry and a little less sort of like, I need sweets, which is what I get like when I'm dieting, which is why I fall off the wagon so often. I also picked up some Nescafe Azera Americano Intense and some hazelnut praline. So I got these for work. I ordinarily get the caramel one because I really like the caramel flavour to black coffee, but they didn't have it, so I thought I'd give this a go because I'm completely out of my coffee and my caramel for at work, so I just had to pick something up, and this is gonna have to do for now. So yeah, unless I find a caramel one somewhere, and then I might swap it out, but I may like this one. I've never actually tried it, who knows. I'll give you a verdict when I try it. So yeah, that was those. Don't remember how much either of these were, but everything else does have prices on, so that's fine. We'll get onto that bit now. I picked up the 30-pack sock pairing clips, so you never lose socks again, because like everybody else in the UK, my washing machine eats socks. Don't know where they go, don't know what happens, but it does. So I thought if I get these, I can encourage me and Ross to put all the socks together before they actually go in the wash bin, so that we don't lose them, and I'm not having to spend half an hour trying to pair socks up every Sunday night, because that is just, I feel like I'm just wasting my life using that half an hour. I could be doing something more productive than pairing up socks. So yeah, and I'm not that brave to be like, oh, it's fine, we'll just wear odd socks. I'm not that kind of mum. I like everything to be matching. So yeah, pick those up for £2. We'll see if they get used. Next thing I picked up were this 2-pack of Reusable. Now apparently they're the natural way to soften your fabrics, and they were £2.50, and apparently they also cut your drying time down, so you're saving money and you're saving energy and you're saving time. So, and I'm pretty sure that's what it says on the box as well. Yeah, save time, money and energy. It actually does say that. So thought I'd give those a try. Never tried them before, seen a lot of people use them here on YouTube, on Instagram, so thought I'd give them a try for £2.50. Not really got much to lose, have we? Next thing that I picked up were these reusable lint and hair catchables. Now, if you didn't already know, I have a dog. She's actually out in the back garden. She knows. And she molts like crazy. You've never seen so much hair. So I picked these up in the hope that they will help when I pop them in the wash, and yeah, just don't clog up my washing machine and don't spread hair over everything else. I'm hoping that this is going to work and catch them. It's a pack of 3. They're eco-friendly, they're reusable. They were £2. Again, for £2, I'm like, let's just try it. If it works, it works, great. If it doesn't, it's £2. it is what it is. I picked up a pack of 4 storage boxes. Now these were $3.50. They are ideal for lunch boxes, picnics, reheating and storage. They're also dishwasher safe, microwave safe and freezer safe. Now I'm on a bit of a weight loss journey and I find stuff like this so handy. If I meal prep, then I know that I'm gonna stick to my diet. If I haven't actually made the food that I'm going to eat in advance and got everything set out and I'm not organized, I ain't gonna stick to that diet. I'm gonna fall off the wagon and it's gonna be a complete waste of time. So yeah, so these are really handy. I might actually go and get another box of these because these are so much better than the boxes that I have. I do have better quality boxes, but they don't sit inside each other, so they take up a lot of space, whereas these sit inside each other, take up a hell of a lot less space, and it just makes life a lot easier. Because I don't really want to be wasting cupboard space. So yeah, so £3.50, bargain. The next thing that I picked up was some slide zip freezer and food bags. They're extra thick and easy to seal. It's a pack of 30. I normally get these from Aldi. These were £2. I think they're about the same at Aldi, but for some reason Aldi have stopped selling them. They only do the ones with the tie handles. Really don't like those because I feel like these are much more efficient in being able to like flatten out food and then zip lock it up, and it just makes things easier to store in your freezer, gives you more space. So that's why I prefer these ones. Yeah, £2. They're great. They're what they are. They're zip bags. Dog coming in. They're zip bags, so not really much else I can say about those, is there? The next thing that I picked up were these 2 multi-purpose tongs. Now we eat an awful lot of meat in this house, and I'm forever turning meat with a fork. I'm really sorry that Mill's in the background, but that's what it is. It's mum life, so yeah, we're just gonna have to deal with it. So yeah, these are much easier to turn meat with, just because I'm forever piercing foil with my fork, and just everything falls off it. It's just a nightmare. So I thought I'd be a grown-up and get some tongs, and I'm sure Ross will really appreciate these as well. We can also use them when we're barbecuing. Not that we're going to be doing any of that right now because our garden is a mess from the builders. So yeah, that's another story. Don't even get me started on that. That is annoying me. Next thing that I got was this bedding set, and it's just a beautiful texture. I got this in king size and it was £25, and you get the quilt cover and 2 pillowcases. Now, I love a white bedding set, but because...
Oh no!
She's just lost a crock. But because I wear fake tan a lot, I often ruin my bed sheets. So I'm always having to replace them when I have white ones, but I don't mind because yeah, it's not that expensive and I don't have to replace it that often. But yeah, I really love this, and I think this is going to look super cozy on my bed. So yeah, £25, bargain. The one thing that I actually went in for was pegs, and yeah, I picked this 24 pack up for £3. And isn't it always the same? Does anybody else go into B&M or Home Bargains for one thing and they walk out with half the shop? Is that just me? It can't be.
Big bubbles.
You don't like big bubbles?
We do like 2 big bubbles.
We don't do bubbles in the house, do we?
It can't.
And to go with my pegs, I got a peg tin. Now, this was £5, which was... This was £5, which was a little bit more expensive than I planned on spending on a peg basket, peg tin, whatever you want to call it. But I really liked it, so I thought, you know what, just get the basket, it's fine. So yeah, for £5, got this, and I'm just going to put all my pegs in it when I finish this haul. And then because the weather's really nice outside, I'm probably going to go and put some washing out using my new pegs, my new basket. I'm almost finished. Now, I picked up a couple of laundry baskets. Now I picked this one up, and this was £7. It's embroidered and it will match my main bathroom really nicely. So I thought I'd pick that up. This is literally just going to only have the kids' clothes in it because they're the only ones that bath and shower in that bathroom. But yeah, so that will look lovely in there. It is 34 centimeters by 45 centimeters approximately, and again, I don't like to leave the washing to like pile up to crazy levels, so that's more than big enough for me. So yeah, let's have a look how big it actually is. that's not too bad. That's fine for the kids' clothes, isn't it? Yeah, that's fine. That'll just go in the corner in the bathroom. That'll be fine. But yeah, it's got nice little handles on it so I can carry it downstairs. I love that. For £7, I really do like that. And then last but not least, I picked up this one. Now, everything's fallen over. Now, this one is for our ensuite. This is the colour of our ensuite. It's sort of like black, dark grey kind of vibe. It's very, very nice. And even if I do say so myself, I really, really like our ensuite. This was £14 and it is the felt laundry bag with bamboo carry handles. And yeah, this is just gonna go in there because at the minute I don't have a wash basket in there and everything just gets chucked on the floor and it just makes it look messy all the time, which I really, really hate. So yeah, picked that up. Everything that everything that I picked up in this haul was a necessary purchase. It's not like I just bought it willy-nilly, but I didn't go in there with the expectation of spending that much money or coming out with that many things. But it is what it is. It doesn't really matter. My child, I'm sorry, I'm just looking out the window. My child has just poured the entire contents of her bubble tube all over the table after me telling her not to do that. So that is it for her and bubbles. They are no more. Anyway, that was the end of my B&M haul. I really, really hope you enjoyed it. I'm hoping that Millie in the background didn't distract you as much as she distracted me, but that is mum life. This is I am filming this on a day in the life as a mum of 2 when I'm solo parenting, when Ross is at work. So it is what it is. They are around, they do make noise, and I set, okay sweetheart. So I set this channel up when I became a mum, so anyone that knows me through this channel knows that I'm a mum, so I think there is a bit of an expectation that there may potentially be children making noise in the back and just being kids, but it is what it is. So I really, really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel and hit that notification bell if you want to be notified every time that I upload. I am trying to get back into a really good uploading schedule. I'm trying to prioritize time to do everything, including things that I really enjoy, which obviously includes YouTube. I'm really, really enjoying filming again. I'm so happy to be back. So yeah, it would really mean the world to me if you did subscribe, because it would show me that you're happy that I'm back as well. Could I beg for any more? God. Anyway, I will see you in my next video, and until then, bye.